the button, I essentially get 12 more lives. And that's great. It's really great. I get 12 more lives, but it wouldn't be me. It'd be a new life. It'd be regeneration. Like, I wouldn't be me anymore. I'd be someone. I'd be me, but I'd be an ultimate me. Or would I be me? I don't know. But only 12 times. What if I become a clumsy person and I end up killing myself and I have to regenerate from that? And that takes away from the 12. That might be the last one. And then I'll forever be the last person I'll ever be known as a clumsy, klutzy person who fell down the stairs. But still, I get to regenerate. I get to be me. But it's not me. But they get to remember me. They get to... It's like a backup. A backup of me. Maybe a whole new me. Maybe a better me. Maybe the best me. But it wouldn't be me. But at least they would remember me. I think just push it. Perhaps if I push the button, I could become a more decisive person. Okay. 12 lives. Keep memories. Different personality. Could be someone who learns from my mistakes, a fresh perspective. As that's fair. I could do this. Maybe that personality would take back over and be me again. Now what the hell? Everyone's been waiting a week for me to push the button. And now it's not even loading. It's not loading. That's a pretty 50-50 one right there. Oh, what suspense that was, wasn't it? Haven't even introduced. Haven't even got comfortable. Hey, from the matter of perspective of everyone watching this, I could have been just sitting here all bloody week, pondering this very question. Well, it's answered. You've got your answer. But hey, now that that's out the way, we get back to it. Will I press the button with everything else? I don't know. Will the dog stop barking? I don't know. Am I going to answer any other questions? You know what? I don't think I will. I think I left everyone in suspense for long enough. I think that's a reward. I think I should probably take a break. Yeah, you know what? Okay, maybe a couple. That's what you all came here to see, right? Push a couple of buttons, if you haven't already fast forward. Hey, I'm Limo All-Star, by the way, but you already knew that. Let's push some buttons. If I push the button, I'll learn, grow, fit, develop myself 5 times as fast. But I can only eat tacos. Okay. I don't mind tacos. I like tacos. How could you not like tacos? You can have variants of tacos. You can have soft tacos. You can have hard shell tacos. You can have a salad version of tacos. Taco. Moving on. I'm a Time Lord, but I can't interfere with humans. Define interfere. Monkey's paw. I'm staying out that one. I get paid a decent... Are you giving me the same question again? I think you are. You're asking me that question again, aren't you? I remember that one specifically. You're doubling up, aren't you? You are doubling up on the questions. That's cheating. You're cheating. I said it before, I'll say it again. No. Now, for this one I can meet all my favorite celebrities, but I have to delete my Tumblr. I don't have a Tumblr. Okay, if I get to meet all my favorite celebrities and all I gotta do is close down one stupid account, I'll create a blank account and just delete it so I can meet all my favorite celebrities. Okay, sure. Bye, Tumblr. Tumbling down the hill, never to be seen again. And about 87% of all the people that have answered the question agree. Now, this one, I will become an extremely attractive girl. It's like it knows me, assuming my gender. In this very uptight, politically correct society, that's a discriminative question. But anyway, I become an extremely attractive girl, but no guys will find me attractive. So then what's the point? Wait, does that mean I become a lesbian? It's essentially asking me if I want a sex change. I guess that's how I have to think about it. Yeah, I'm perfectly fine with things the way they are. At least right now. Hey, maybe when I'm about 70 I'll do a Bruce Jenner, Caitlyn Jenner, whatever. But for now I don't see that happening, but apparently 60% of them, no they don't either, but 40% do. Whatever. You want to become an extremely attractive girl that no guys find attractive? Then you better be prepared to pass all laws on marriage equality and be tolerant of same-sex couples. Because that's the only way you'll get through life. Think about it. You attractive girl, you that nobody guys like. So if I get $2,000 a day, I have to go to the bathroom 10 times every day. There are better ways to earn money. Way better ways. Do everyone There are people, I mean, unless your office is literally in a toilet? Oh, 83% of people are crazy. Because they want to get paid only $2,000 a day to have to go to the bathroom 10 times every day. But you know, that's the thing. They're thinking, oh, well, I'll just decide when. No. Your body decides for you when you have to go. And if you got to go 10 times a day instead of the usual whenever you go, that's a lot more. And I guess that's also a lot more fecal waste, and that'd really mess up the ecosystem, I think. Talking about greenhouse gases, more emissions. Indeed. If I push the button, I will become a godlike emperor that rules over all mankind in the year 40k. But I will have to stay on a golden throne that requires souls to keep me alive. So let me get this straight. I become a god-like emperor that rules over all mankind in the year 40k. So I'd be god-like, but I wouldn't be God. Wouldn't be a god or the god, just god-like. But I would have to stay on a golden throne that requires souls to keep me alive. This is some Game of Thrones crap right there. I'll probably die within the first year. I don't want that kind of responsibility over all those people. Killing them for their souls and then having to watch over my back because they'll usurp my throne because, hey, apparently I'm godlike, but I'm not immortal because I'm not God. And they'll figure that out pretty quickly, and even though I require souls to keep me alive, all they have to do is just not go anywhere near me. And then I would have no souls to keep me alive. I mean, think about it. It says it requires souls to keep me alive. So not even a nutritional diet would keep me alive. It's souls. I'm pretty much dead if I click that button. Too many people agree with these scenarios. A lot of close 50-50s. So I become the sexiest person alive, but my IQ drops 20 points. I don't know how high my IQ is. I should probably check it. In fact, I think that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to check my IQ. I'm not going to tell anyone what my IQ is, but I will say this. I'm going to tell you what my answer will be in the next video on Will You Press the Button. Meanwhile, subscribe to get more videos like this one from the channel. Share with your friends all the hypothetical scenarios and get on that website and decide whether you'll press the button or not. In the meantime, my name is Liam. I'll see you guys next time. And we'll just see next time if I become the sexiest person alive.